Claude Pro versus Max 2026 review. Is it worth the upgrade? Claude Pro costs $20 a month. Claude Max costs up to $200. But is that price jump actually worth it, or are you just paying more for the same thing? Let's break it down in under 2 minutes. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're doing a straight, honest comparison of Claude Pro versus Claude Max in 2026, what you actually get at each tier and who should genuinely upgrade. Let's get into it. First, Claude Pro at $20 a month. This gives you access to Claude's most capable models, 5 times more usage than the free plan, access to projects, memory, and the ability to upload files and documents. For casual users, writers, and students, Pro covers almost everything you'd ever need day to day. Second, Claude Max at $100 a month. Max gives you roughly 5 times the usage limits of Pro, meaning significantly more messages per day before hitting any cap. This is the plan built for power users, people running long research sessions, complex coding workflows, or using Claude heavily throughout their entire workday without interruption. Third, Claude Max at $200 a month. This top tier pushes usage limits even higher, up to 20 times the usage of Pro, and is designed for professionals who rely on Claude as a core tool all day every day, such as developers, researchers, and heavy business users. Fourth, what's the same across both plans? Both Pro and Max get access to the exact same Claude models, including the latest Sonnet and Opus releases, the same features like projects, memory, file uploads, and web search. The difference is purely how much you can use, not what you can access. Here's your pro tip: before upgrading to Max, spend 1 full week tracking how often you actually hit your Pro usage limits. If you're consistently hitting the cap and having to wait, Max pays for itself immediately. But if you rarely max out on Pro, that extra $80 to $180 a month is genuinely unnecessary. Bottom line, Claude Pro is excellent value for most people. Claude Max is worth every dollar if Claude is central to your daily professional workflow and usage limits are slowing you down. If this helped you decide, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tool comparisons. And drop a comment: are you on Pro or Max, and is it working for you? See you in the next one.